We're here to pick up the truck.
Me and my wife be all on the road, we moving them loads. All of the time we catching them plays, get to the dough. Flying by scales, when it's green, we on gold. Never late, pulling up straight, big load, moving, get dough. All on the road, moving low. Until I bought, they know we gon' go. They know we don't 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 go.
We here to pick her up, y'all. She's at B25. So let's see where B25 is. It's cold in Texas. Oh my God, it's pushing me. Let's see. Oh, I see her. I see baby. Okay, let's get to her. Let's see if we can actually see what they done. I don't know if it look a little different or not. I'm gonna look a little more. I see some nice new little belts and stuff, but I mean, bolt. I guess that's the bolt they needed. Okay. Gotta get in here. It's cold, it's cold, it's cold. Alright, I'm here and I'm signing in to our tablet. We use Samsara. And it's been in the shop, so I had to claim everything that is ours. And so right now it's telling me that there is unclaimed review and claim what's yours. And so I'm going to do that. And it shows the days that the shop moved the truck. And they want to know if it's ours or if it's not. So this is how it looks. Oh, shoot. If you can see it, it shows the date and the times that it was moved. Unclaimed. None of this is mine. Do this and then I'll get back with you. Okay, we're about to run in here inside of Premier to see if we can save us a little coins and get us I'm gonna price it first because I might be able to order it from Amazon. I already looked up on Amazon how much the filters are. So if they're charging way more, I'm just gonna order it from Amazon, but I'm gonna at least price it while I'm here and to see if they have how much their ABS mount is and see if that's reasonable. But if that's not reasonable, I will be figuring out something else. So we're gonna make this work. We're gonna make it do what it do so we can get back on this road. But okay, let's run in here. It's cold and windy, y'all. Cold and windy. We did get the ABS mount out of here, but the air filter was double the price of Amazon. We got baby back. We got baby back. We gotta do a little more items to her to get her back to being road ready. But she is back in our custody. So we're on our way to the house to go get some tools. And then we're gonna come back and do a little work on her. And then we'll be road ready. All right. All right, we went home and we made it back. But I need a hat because it is windy out there. Plus we got new cute hats. Y'all see it? It says driver on it. Driver, driver, driver. I like it. So let's see how I look in it. Hold on. My head big, y'all. So let's see. I have to open this up just in case. Or maybe I'll do it after I fit the head. I don't know. It looks like it might work. Oh, I got a clamp on in the back. Oh, I gotta take the clamp off. Okay. Let's clamp her back up. Hold on, let me get myself together. How y'all like it? It look cute to me. Look okay. All right, let me get back out there in that wind and get back to work. This is the bracket for the ABS sensor on the driver's side in the front. Let me show you where it goes. And we came prepared with all the tools that we think we might need. All right, he's fitting it. That's how it looks. That's where it goes. And right now, it looks like he has a, hold on, let me check to see that. A 13. It looks like he has 2 sets of 13s out. A wrench. This, I don't know what it's called. And a extended 10. And this, if you work on trucks, you know what it is. Or cars. But again, this is how it's hanging. And you don't want it to get caught in anything, so. And also another tool is this one. What is this called? And remember, it makes it a little easier if you turn your wheel before you even start. Because oil doesn't come out of clothing very well. Okay.
Hold on. Where's my look? But to get the job done.
And just like that, old bracket is off. Next, we're gonna take off this screw right here. And you take it out by going in from the back. From all the buildup.
You want to break stuff on there.
What is that called? The washer?
The washer.
after trying to put it together, these are the pieces that we found in the toolbox to fix it. Alright. We're gonna put it together the way we can, y'all. Do what you gotta do. You put the little white sponge washer first. Then he put a little black one. A little rubber black one. Then he placed that piece that was already on there when we started. And now I think we're about to get ready and tighten into the spot. Okay. This is how it looks so far. Hold on. Well, so that he doesn't have to use that much arm power, he went and got his drill, and he's still using a pin on the drill. It's going slow so he don't strip it, and he's holding the back piece in with that little extender. Tight and steady. Alright, now he's about to take the cord and slide it into that little hole that was on the mount he just put on. And what are you using for this one?
A drill.
I know. 13. A 13?
On both sides.
13 on both sides. And that tightened it up. And now you're going to tighten the bottom up all the way. Remember to hold the back end. Alright, that's how you install an ABS line holder mount. Yeah, ABS line mount. It's no longer hanging and dangling, ready to be pulled out at any time. Alright, thank you all for tuning in.